Hello Mark, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide FLHXS. It has 8461 miles on it, 8,461 miles on it, and the price is $2488 plus HST and licensing. The motorcycle is in excellent shape. It is a special edition, and special edition comes with the matching Batwing front fender and this piece in same color. It comes with the large screen GPS. Yeah, I'm gonna open the ignition here. You can see it is a touch screen as well, so even with gloves you can change some stuff on it. The mileage in kilometers is 14,098, and it has a cruise control. The bars are modified. These are little ape hangers. I would say it's about 12-inch, so it's really comfortable. Yeah, accept. The radio is here, and the GPS. We're in the building right now, so I don't think it's gonna work. It's gonna fine, but anyhow, it works for sure. There is the USB connector for the music. There is an ABS on it. When you start riding, it will disappear. The crash bars, it does have amazing exhaust. It's a 2-in-1, single side, one side, vents and heights. Sounds just amazing, and it has more lights. These are additional LED lights on the side. They work as signals as well. Super bright. I don't know if you see it in this video. And this is extra as well, so it has all the LEDs. It looks amazing, and the ride's amazing. I rode the motorcycle. This has a new bags with a single lock, so it's very easy to open with one hand, and it has some racks for the backrest, or a 2-pack you can use it for. Toe shifter, hill shifter. This is the battery lead to charge the battery here, and that's pretty much everything. It comes already certified and is ready to go. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. I know you have a trade-ins. I think the motorcycle, Indian, and the Mercedes might work. You just send me more details of your trades, and I'll get back to you with some numbers. Thank you.